Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are Adani AEML commissions 220 kV 125 MVA capacity eco-friendly Easter oil power transformer at Borivali. Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank combines the best of banking service with UPI functionality. Alankit starts Aadhaar enrollment for unorganized workers, tea garden workers and family member for Labour Welfare Department, Government of Assam. Pagar book improves credit worthiness of over 5 lakh Gujarat SMB employees. Workers get their first pay slips. Zareen Khan's song with Jordan Sandhu, Do Wari Jat, is out now. Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited, that is AEML, an integrated power utility, recently commissioned India's first synthetic Easter oil-filled 220 kilowatt 125 megavolt ampere capacity power transformer in its Mumbai transmission network at 220 kilowatt Borivali EHV substation. This augmentation of transformation capacity at Borivali EHV substation will strengthen transmission and distribution infrastructure to meet incremental load growth in and around Borivali area, maintain reliable quality power supply and availability of transmission system at desired level. Next up is Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank, the first and largest multi-state cooperative bank of Uttar Pradesh and the first urban cooperative bank to secure a small finance bank license, has become a part of the thrilling and very popular Unified Payments Interface, that is UPI community. The benefit of UPI enability to the customers of Shivalik Bank include fund transfer, bill payments and merchant transaction. Commenting on the move, Mr. Suvir Kumar Gupta, Managing Director and CEO at Shivalik Bank said, "It is the year 2020 has taught us anything. It is that technology and digitalization is the only way to progress." Next up is Alankit Limited has started the work on Aadhaar enrollment of unorganized workers and tea garden workers and their family members for Labour Welfare Department, Government of Assam. Alankit will be opening up approx 1,000 Aadhaar enrollment centers to reach out to the maximum population across the state of Assam. The enrollment exercise would go a long way in helping the workers become beneficiaries on various welfare initiatives and schemes of the government. Mr. Ankit Agrawal, Managing Director of Alankit Limited, feels delighted to be partnered with Labour Welfare Department, Government of Assam for Aadhaar enrollment drive. Next up is Sequa Capital and India question-backed human capital platform, Pagar Book, which offers staff attendance and payroll solution to MSMEs. Today announced that over 5 lakh of Gujarat small and medium business employees received their first ever pay slips, serving as proof of employment and a valid document to show their credit worthiness and making them eligible for loan from financial institutions. This comes as a welcome relief to many employees, especially as micro and small enterprises continues to reel under the impact of COVID-19. Next up is Zareen Khan, who is well-loved name in Punjab thanks to her hit films Jat, James Bond and Dhaka, now featuring in Jordan Sandhu's most anticipated track Do Wari Jat, composed by Jussie X with music by Desi Crew and lyrics by Arjun. Do Wari Jat is a quintessential Punjabi song and stars Jordan Sandhu, one of the most popular names on the Punjabi music scene, and the gorgeous Zareen Khan, who rules hard up north. This is it for today. Thank you for watching Triple.com.